Hey guys, this is Einar. I hope that you're doing great today, and welcome to this tutorial where we are going to be talking about the mode. Now, what is the mode? Well, the mode is the number that appears most often in a set of numbers, according to Wikipedia. So it's the most observed value that we can find in a data set, and we denote it MO. So in our example, we're going to talk about a variable that is the number of sociologists that a person knows, X. So we call this sample or our population X, and then we list all the observations that we have in this sample. So this person knows one sociologist, this person knows four sociologists, and these three people here, they know five sociologists. And this is the most common value we can find in our sample. So the mode then becomes 5. And it's the value of the mode that we list here. So the mode is 5. However, what if we have a sample where we have two values that have an equal number of observations? So in this case, for example, this person knows two sociologist persons, and this person knows 5, and we have 3 of each here. Well, then we can have actually 2 modes, and we call it a bimodal sample or population. Bi as in 2. So then the mode becomes 2 and 5. It's a bimodal sample population. And as you might perhaps imagine, we can have as many modes as possible, as you can imagine. So we call that a multimodal sample and population, where we have 3 or more modes. So then the modes are 2, 5, and 8 in this case. I'll just count these for you, but you know what I'm talking about. If we're gonna illustrate this using graphs, well, I would do something like this. I would have our X values here and our frequencies here, and we can see that the peak here, this is the mode 5, which was our first example when we just had one mode. In this second example, we have the frequencies here and the X values there, same thing as before, but we have 2 modes. So this is our bimodal distribution. And finally, when we have a multimodal distribution, well, we have several peaks in our frequency distribution. So our frequencies there, our X values there. And that's all you need to know about the mode for now. I hope to see you in the next tutorial, and have a really great day, guys. Bye bye.